Easy, Sian the cat's going to take children. You want that? Okay. Come on. Good girl. There we are. We've ordered now. Well, actually we ordered before the video was done and Sian can't always look at the menu. And she picked the thing that I already picked anyway though. Anyway, look, she sat on my shoulder. Ooh, I've had an idea. These series of videos that I've done can be called Sian the Cat's Trip Out. What do you think, Sian? Do you like that idea, Sian? Good idea. I need a voice for Sian. She needs a good voice. Yeah, I think she really needs a good voice, right? Right, okay, I'll be back in a minute.